What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Another video started walking down the wooden steps with the handicap railing, so you know it's going to be a banger. You just know it's going to be a great video. Give you a quick little garage tour here. We replaced the salty chicken with the deer. This thing is bone stock, 100% stock, not Houston stock. It is really stock. There's nothing done to it. Walk over here. We got some $7.99 Cathedral Port cylinder heads. You see that going on the salted chicken in the near future. Go over here. We got the crankshaft, which I'm going to pick a winner in this video. And you know what? I might do it right now. We got another giveaway going on, which I'll continue in this video. I said it in the last. Drop a comment like this. You will have a chance to win 2 connecting rods. Well, I'll say 1. I'm going to pick 2 winners, but the old connecting rods out of the cow, I will sign it and I'll send them off. So I have 2 of those to give away. Drop a comment, like this video, you'll be entered to win. And I guess it's time to pick a winner for this. Little John Dock signature, and then you know we'll put the Cowmaro and the date that it lived for. Definitely can't go to a Ford guy. It's got to go, you know, deep down to a Chevy guy. If that crankshaft could talk, it would tell some stories. You know what? Robbie Williams. You're right. You won the crankshaft. Maybe it'll talk to you and tell some stories. Robbie Williams, you said if that crankshaft could talk, tell some stories. Looking forward to see some racing or anything. You know what? Send me a DM on Facebook or anything like that. We'll get you this crankshaft and a t-shirt and you'll be set up. You know what? The only rule is if you get it, I need to see a picture of it, you know, on a mural, you know, on your countertop, hung on the wall, where in your man cave, wherever. Send me a picture of it, get in touch with me, we'll get this sent out to you. In the next giveaway, I'm gonna give away my, no, I'm just kidding, I'm not giving away those cylinder heads. We're gonna get those cleaned up and those will be put to use at some point. So, ready to do some salty chicken things? What do you think about the tripod that I ordered that was wrong?
I mean, it's tiny.
Yeah, that thing just
it's
can't.
It's like miniature size. It's usually like this long.
Yeah.
Which took it right up to here.
It just can't handle the weight of this big old camera.
It's all like floppy. It's like.
All right, so what we got going on today, as I said previously in the last video, we got the salty chicken loaded up on the trailer, and it's time to get salty. We are heading down to J&J Fab, and we are going to drop this off in, I say, the first real transformation of the car. Oh, the second. We put the front end kit on there, put the Strange Engineering race brakes, which I cannot tell you guys how much I absolutely love them. And now the second stage is we're going to get the Rock Solid Motorsports front end kit put on. Everything is in the vehicle. You can see I just got a ton of junk sitting in there. Block the sun. Got some center console pieces, got a motor plate, a steering shaft, and yeah, in that box is the front end kit. So what we need to do before we leave, I look like a bum just driving around with this thing everywhere, and even more so because it's got like half a flat tire. So we're gonna pump this up so I don't look like a complete bum, and drop it off at Jason and Jamie's shop with a flat tire. So we're gonna pump that up, and then we're gonna hit the road. I got the rest of the front end in the bed of the truck. This is a big day for me. Yeah. This is like the first, I'd say, real race car we're gonna do, because the cow is not a race car. I mean, whether you like it or the cow has stock everything. It's got, the only thing tubular on it are like its rear lower control arms.
No, stock air to water.
Yeah, stock air to water. You know what? I don't want to hear it. Hey, let me see some action for the camera. Come on. We saw that guy getting out of his car, getting his sign and suiting up, putting his gloves on. He had his shirt had the logo of like the NBA or something, but it had a guy flipping a sign, so we thought that he was like expert level sign flipper, and little did we know he was just gonna give us a thumbs up and kind of lean back. Wes, what do you think?
I mean, pure disappointment on my behalf. I mean,
we are almost at Jason's shop, so we'll pick up with you guys when we get there. All right, so we are here at the wonderful J&J Fab. Oh God, look at you. Maybe you pull around back because you don't take the junk up front, huh?
What a rag.
What's going on? Is this your first time seeing it?
Yeah.
Oh God, I don't know if you're ready for it. I haven't pulled it on there backwards for you.
At least it don't look too ashy.
Come on, it's actually mint.
Oh, you ain't like Jason's with the clear coat coming off yet.
No, this is, I have one of those, but this is, someone gave me this hood.
Oh, we'll put a big scoop in it.
Oh, now we're talking. You got one of those laying around here?
Yeah. We'll find one somewhere.
So yeah, she's pretty nice. There's literally, she won't, the only thing she will leak is fuel. But I got fuel lines tied up so she don't do that.
All I gotta do is worry about catching on fire.
Yeah, that's it. Send it. Do I go all the way down with the e-brake thing and then all the way back up, or slowly?
No, you just go all the way down and just lock it up.
All right.
Slide it down high. Slide it over the spot.
Oh, dude, e-brake grab's so nice.
I hope you don't hear a cable pop. What do you keep worrying about?
All right, here we go.
Oh, dude, that's full on. You went a little too far.
Yeah, dude, I locked her up as soon as she came off the trailer. Oh, man. Whew. Oh, there's no wheel to even turn.
Now you turn it down by your hand. Does that work?
It's got a bungee cord.
Custom little edge.
Only the
Never felt
finest.
like this big of a bum. Got stuff bungee corded down. But look at that.
Why you fit a big motor in there?
Yeah. No, she's good. What are your thoughts?
You gonna mount the turbo right here?
But yeah, this is pretty much it. Already comes. It's direct bolt on. I mean, look at that.
Do I get pictures or I get written instructions because I can't read?
I could probably do pictures. Well, you know what? After you do this, you're gonna be like the damn poster child of how to install this.
Uh-oh. That makes it ain't gonna be installed right.
And then this thing, so everyone knows who did it. I don't know which way is right. Oh, pow. Rock Solid Motorsports.
Don't know which way is right. Has lettering.
Dude, that's like a 2-minute job for you. Yeah. I mean, look, we're going from that to this. So yeah. All right, so we've been over here for a while harassing Jamie, and Jason shows up. I come with a present for you.
What do you got? Brake clean. Oh no.
That's what you get. Now, the only thing I must say is I do need those 2 connecting rods back, because I'm gonna give them away. But you get the old Cowmaro pistons.
Are they signed?
Dude, they look great.
They're like a lot better than I thought they were gonna be.
Oh, really? Oh, you thought they were gonna be worse? No, I mean they're like I thought he was gonna be like, dude, those things are terrible.
No, that's good. You left the rings on it and everything.
Oh, they literally drop in.
I can't put these in a motor. These are famous.
That's what I'm saying. Well, so I told the people in today's video if they comment and like, I'm gonna sign those 2 connecting rods and give them to them. So just don't use those.
If they do it, and then I'll give a 959 rod too.
Oh shit.
I'll give it to you before we leave.
Oh shit.
Yes, we got a rod.
Dude, every time I come over here, I'm like the biggest mooch ever. It's getting ridiculous. Every time I come here, I leave with something. Except I'm leaving you guys this. Yes. You missed us unloaded on the trailer.
I missed all the good parts. I'm smart. I wait till everything's over with.
He thought he was gonna bring it through the front door.
I was backing up to it, and he calls me. He's like, "No, we take our junk in the back." So, yeah, but what do you? I mean, dude, now mind you, I have done all of the work to this.
So every bolt's loose.
Yeah, I did not tighten all of them. I can tell you that.
Okay. Right.
Definitely needs an alignment, but I got it closer than before.
You should have saw his.
Those are the tires that I could have given you on that motor I sold you, but I gave you the good set.
Which I sold.
Yeah. So. It's like we're just in this relationship now where we just keep buying and selling and trading stuff.
We don't know who's screwing who.
Yeah,
no problem.
it is. It's just ongoing now.
I like these. These are good.
No, those are like, dude. I mean, they made some power.
You know, how am I supposed to?
I didn't sign any of them.
It's okay.
I mean, you look at pistons all the time. How does that look? I mean, that's like 3 years.
That's good. Gas mileage a little off, but I mean, you're probably. Now they're good.
Dude, do you know how many asses those pistons have busted?
The rings pretty got lots of tension, truthfully.
Yeah, I mean that was 2.5 years of just clapping cheeks.
Well, you didn't beat anybody though, John. Come on, let's just.
I mean, all right, listen. I donkey stomped Guitarmageddon like 17 times.
Like that.
I did. You don't even know who he is, but it sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Guitarmageddon?
Yeah.
Guitarmageddon, Z01.
The red one? Yeah. Nano.
I never heard of she.
But yeah, so now we're looking to go even faster, but.
Got a little ring gap left in it. Not bad.
Yeah, I mean, those did me well. So now we upgraded to the 416. And,
I thought you wouldn't tell anybody.
No, I mean, it ain't no secret.
Okay.
I mean, I
You
had
had
to,
to do something.
I had to space the windage tray, so they knew at that point.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
yeah. You had to see me putting my first motor together. Body.
I need that key fob. I'm gonna keep the key fob.
Yeah, no, the steering wheel's junk.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you could have it if you want.
Cool. Yeah.
Oh, there's another trade right there.
There you go. Boom.
Another trade, just like that. So,
Jamie's gonna hook you up.
yeah, I said to Jamie, I said, I keep trading you things, and Jamie's doing all the work. Yeah, I mean, get a look. We're gonna do a nice badass cage here. 25.2.
Yeah.
What do you need 25.2 to go 6 O's for?
So here's the question. I get a lot of calls all the time about cages, and this is to both you guys. Now, I mean, street car stuff, 8-10 point cage, go 850.
Yeah.
What's next?
I mean, you could go 25.5.
And what is that difference between an 8 and a 10 point? Obviously, it's just like a standard cage with a halo, and that.
Bars at the
lower bars going through here. Here, basically everything encapsulated instead of trying to tie into the frame all as one. You're tying the whole cage together and then the car together.
And then at what point do you start putting bars underneath the car and tying the rear end?
25.5, you gotta start.
Okay,
doing it,
so that's when it gets real.
Yeah.
And expensive.
But then that's your fine line. Like street car, race car, you gotta pick your poison. I mean, it's tough. You can have a really fast race car and not a good street car, or you can have a really good street car and not a fast race car. So I mean, I think there's a fine line you can go between both of them, but at some point in time.
So like the cow has just a standard 10 point with a couple extra bars, got a roof bar next in the doors.
Cow's a good example. The Cow is a really, really streetable fast car, but if you really wanted to go balls out and just go crazy with it, that it would be a really, really fast race car, but it'd be unstreetable at some point in time.
Yeah, and I mean, that's like, I'm kind of at the point now where I got a cage. It's not even NHRA certified just because I'm lazy and haven't done it yet, but I don't really get picked on. They don't kick me out of places. They see the cage and say it's good. So I'm kind of at the point where no cage, or a cage is better than no cage.
At some point in time, you got to take your own life in your own hands. You got to be like, hey, look, I'm going really fast. When I crash this, do I want to live or just be paralyzed? So.
Wow, those are some strong words there. So that's why we try to keep her off the wall best we can.
Yeah, but anything can happen, man. I've seen stupid shit happen.
Yeah, so. I can imagine.
What do you have in the Honda?
He's got like a loose seat bolt. Yeah.
And we know it went a certain time the last time.
Yeah, possibly.
When's this race gonna go? Between the Krusty Chicken and.
I should have drove the crushed chicken over here.
Is it not sitting in the garage?
That's down there now.
What if I got a lot of people that are interested in getting this installed in their F-body? The tubular front end kit?
I think we're going to experiment on yours first. If it goes well, then we're going to put it on the money shot.
Yeah, I mean, I agree with it. Yeah. So if this goes well, then everyone will know who to hit up. When I say hit you guys up for all your fab needs, you got a couple guys that already check you guys out. Yeah. You guys do solid work, which is why the Salty Chicken's here. And I'm sure after you put the tubular front end kit on, you'll be getting all the calls, and we'll keep you busy with just F bodies for life. Yeah. I mean, we're gonna have to get your new work shirt's gonna be a damn wife beater, and we're gonna have to grow the hair on the back of your neck like way harder.
Woo! Talk about Bush Light.
So this is it. We'll keep you guys updated. Like I said before, this is the Rock Solid Motorsport.
This is really nice stuff.
No, I mean, it's nice. It's welded really good. Comes pre-bent, pre-notched, obviously. The only thing with the Trans Am, a little bit different than the F-body stuff, is the headlight buckets. You're really probably going to hate me for that at the end. Radiator mount. I don't have one of those yet. So I look forward to I couldn't tell you, I'm way more excited than like any of the Cowmaro stuff for this. So I can't wait to see it happen.
PA stuff. Got PA stuff in mind. Money shot.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Yeah.
Go wheels up. 80th time.
It'll take a... like a 12-foot drop.
Yeah. Is that Jamie's fault with the Progressive?
Jamie, he kept calling me a pussy, so he was just like, turn the stupid thing up, quit playing with it.
You was 2 foot in the air and you let off.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
No balls.
Yeah,
no
really.
Balls.
Wait, will John be able to handle the drop? That's the question.
Yeah. The problem with John is when he tears something up, it just literally like, oh my God, I broke something. And it's kind of part of it. So.
Yeah, no, I mean, dude, what do you mean? I got everything. I got a roller at the shop right now because I broke one of everything. I'd say I'm taking it pretty.
After the cow lost the rear end, moped for 2 weeks.
Oh, I was pissed.
Dude, he called me when he broke the motor. I had to therapy. You're on like, dude, it's okay. It's not that bad. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna build a 427. I'm gonna build a 454.
This is all made up. This is all made up.
You live with him, man. I talk to him every day on the way home, and he's just like, oh man, I don't know what to do. I'm like, John, just get it out and take it apart. No, I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna buy that.
I was like, where's the damn spare motor at a party time? Let's put it in there for now. We'll run it on motor. Before I get harassed anymore in this video, I'm gonna end it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out Jason and Wes on Instagram, and Jamie. Check him out as well. You best be posting pictures of salty chicken now. People are gonna be following you, looking to see you working on this thing.
Yeah.
So, and you literally, Jason, you don't even post anything up on there.
I don't.
The man has a pro mod. He runs that car over there and this car, and he just will not get on Instagram. What the heck?
I'm social media lazy.
Yeah, you are. So, guys, merchandise down below. Check these guys out, J&J Fab. Any of your fabrication needs. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time.